Hello and welcome back in today's video, and today we are starting exercise 3.4 based on elimination methods. So let us start our video quickly. So we will start exercise 3.4. We will start from question number 1. So what is question number 1? Solve the following pair of linear equation by elimination method. Name is given and by the substitution method. That means we have to solve by both the method. One first by elimination method and same by substitution method. Okay. So let us start from first part only. So first part of first question is x plus y equals to 5 and 2x minus 3y equals to 4. So we have to start. Very first we have to do by elimination method. So let us say this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Elimination method means we have to eliminate, matlab cancel out one of the variable. So see, one of the variable is x, but 2x here should be 2x, or same way here is 3, so here should be 3y. Plus minus minus तो cancel हो जाता अगर यहाँ पे 3 होता तो. So what we'll do, multiplying equation 1 by 3. So we'll write multiplying equation 1 by 3. So what we'll get? 3y. So we have to multiply each and every term. Okay. So 3x plus 3y equals to 3 5s are 15. Let me say this is equation number 1. So this is 1 dash. Now I am writing the equation number 2 here. Minus 3y equals to 4. This was equation number 2. Adding both of the equation. So we are adding. Why we are adding? Because already it is cancelling out. Okay. Plus minus minus. So 3 by 2, 3y cancel out. So 3, 4, 5x is equals to 19. So therefore x equals to 19 upon 5. Okay. So then we have to substitute it by substitution method. Then the value of x we will substitute in one of the equation. So then I am writing substituting the. Now here elimination method is completed. Now substitution method. Substituting value of x in equation 1. Let us substitute in 1 only. So x is 19 upon 5 plus y is 5. So y is equals to 5 minus 19 upon 5. We have to take the LCM. So we have to make it 5 and here also we'll multiply by 5. So what will become? 25 minus 19 upon 5. So how much it is left? 6 upon 5. Okay. So this is our value of y. So here x is 19 upon 5 and y is 6 upon 5. So this is our values of x and y. You will write together. Therefore x is equals to this and y equals to this. This is elimination method. All of you knows the substitution method. What is substitution method? By substitution method. We have to find out any one of the value. Let us find the value of x. X is equals to 5 minus y from equation 1. Then what we will do? Substituting this value in equation number 2. So 2 into what is the value of x? 5 minus y. Minus 3y equals to 4. 5 2s are 10. Minus 2y minus 3y equals to 4. 10 we will send this side. So 1 minute. This is x equals to 5 minus y. So substituting this value in this, 2 into 5 minus y minus 3y equals to 4. 5 2s are 10 minus 2y minus 3y equals to 4. So 10 minus 5y equals to 4 minus 5y equals to 10 will send that side. 4 minus 10, that means therefore y is equals to minus 6 upon minus 5. So you will get y is equals to minus cancel out 6 upon 5. See, the value of y is 6 upon 5. Then substituting this value in one of the equation, let us substitute it. Then same we will do substituting the value in equation 1. Okay, so equation 1 is x plus y equals to 5. So what is the value of y? 6 upon 5. So x plus 6 upon 5 is equals to 5. So x is equals to 5 minus 6 upon 5. Take the LCM 5. This is 25 minus 6, again same way, 19 upon 5. So same value will come from substitution method also and by elimination method also. Okay. So like this you have to do the second part also. I am doing now your fourth part. There are 4 parts and 2 parts you will do yourself. Fourth part I am doing for you. Okay. So now the first question, fourth part we will start. It is given in fraction and rest are given in whole numbers. Okay, a simple equation. So we have to write in fractions also. Let us see how to solve. So we are moving to fourth part. What is fourth part? First question, fourth part. X upon 2 plus 2y upon 3 equals to minus 1. Equation number 1, and x minus y upon 3 equals to 3. Equation number 2. So first make a proper equation. Let us take the LCM. Okay, so from 1, equation 1, what is the LCM? 6. 3 to the 6. So 3x plus 2 to the 4y equals to minus 1. So it will become 3x plus 4y equals to minus 6. Let me say equation number 1 dash. Okay, then from equation 2, take the LCM. So it will become 3 is the LCM. 3x minus y equals to 3. It will become 3x minus y equals to 3. These are 9. It is equation 2 dash. So we have 2 equations now from these 2. Okay. So from these 2 equations we will do by elimination method. This is 3x, this is 3x. See? So easily it will be eliminated. So we will write the equation first. Therefore first equation is 3x plus 4y equals to minus 6. And second equation is 3x minus y equals to 9. Now this is plus plus plus. So we have to subtract it. It will become minus, it will become plus, and it will become minus. Okay. So it is cancelled out. Plus plus plus. 5y sign will come plus and minus minus plus. It is 15 but minus 15. So y equals to minus 3. Okay. So now substituting the value of y in any of the equation you can put. Let us put in equation number 2 dash. So we will write here substituting the value of y in equation 2 dash. So what is 2 dash? 3x minus y is minus 3 equals to 9. So 3x plus 3 equals to 9. 3x equals to 9 minus 3, 6. X equals to 2. So therefore we will get the value x is equals to 2 and y is equals to minus 3. This is a value by elimination method. Okay, elimination means we have to eliminate one of the variable. Okay, either by adding, either by subtracting. So now we have to do the same equation by substitution method. Okay, what we will do? Very first we will just make these 1 dash and 2 dash same like this by taking the LCM. So now we have 2 equations. Equation 1 is 3x plus 4y equals to minus 6. This is by substitution method. Okay, the second method we are doing substitution method. And equation number 1 dash. And second equation 2 dash is 3x minus y equals to 9. Equation number 2 dash. So these were our 2 equations. Now we will do solve the equation by substitution method. Now you know easily that we will take out the value of x or y from one of the equation. Okay. So we will take out the value of y. Let us take out the value of y because this is easily why we can take out from equation number 2 dash. So from equation 2 dash, y will send this side. So y is equals to 3x minus 9. Okay, 9 will come here. So this is now substituting value of y in equation. किसमें रखनी है? 1. So 1 dash. So this is first write the equation 3x plus 4y equals to minus 6. 3x plus 4 into what is the value of y? 3x minus 9 equals to minus 6. 3x plus 4 3 is 12x minus 9 4 is 36 equals to minus 6. So 12, 13, 15x, 36 will send that side, minus 6 plus 36 plus 30. So x equals to 2. Okay, we got x is equals to 2. Now substituting value of x in equation 2 dash. Okay, so or we can write substituting of value of x in equation number 3. Okay, equation number 3. So what is value of y? Y is equals to 3x minus 9. So 3 into 2 minus 9. 6 minus 9 minus 3. Got value of x is equals to 2, value of y is equals to minus 3. Same value will get by both the methods. Okay, so this is a first question, 2 parts you have to do. Now we have a word problem, this second question, and it has 5 parts. Okay, so see it properly. So we will go to word problems. So let us move to learn word problems. What is the first part of second question? It is given. Okay, see. Second question, first part. Now what is the question? Form a pair of linear equation in the following problems. तो पहले तो linear equation form करनी है, okay? And then their solution, find their solution by the elimination method. और किससे find करना है? Elimination method से ही find करना है, okay? So first part is, if 1 is added to numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. तो पहले तो fraction की बात हो रही है, तो हम कहते हैं let the fraction be x upon y. So let the fraction is x upon y. मान लो fraction x upon y है, तो जो भी हमारी x की वैल्यू आएगी, जो भी हमारी y की वैल्यू आएगी, we will substitute in there. This will be the original fraction. Okay, now the condition what they have given, if we add, well let me write x upon y according to question. Okay, if we add 1 to the numerator, if we will add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, the fraction reduces to 1. Fraction reduces to 1, मतलब एक हो जाता है. Okay, so from here let us cross multiply. X plus 1 is equals to y minus 1. So x minus y is equals to minus 2. Let me, this equation number 1 from first condition. Now what they are given? It becomes 1 upon 2. It becomes means, and ये जो fraction है becomes 1 upon 2. It becomes 1 upon 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. If we only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? तो हमें क्या निकालना है? Fraction निकालना है, ठीक है? So cross multiply. 2x equals to y plus 1. So we have 2x minus y equals to 1. This is equation number 2. So now equation number 1 and equation number 2 we have to solve by elimination method. Write equation number x minus y is equals to 2, equation number 1, and 2x minus y equals to 1 is equation number 2. Eliminate करना है, तो these are minus minus plus, तो एक plus होना चाहिए इसमें से, तो we will subtract the equation. Minus plus minus cancel out, minus plus minus. So plus minus minus, this is minus x equals to plus minus minus 1. So x equals to minus 1. Okay, sorry. So it becomes x minus y equals to, it is minus 2 here. So minus minus plus, it is minus 3. So what will be the value of x here? Plus 3. Okay, minus minus cancel out, x is equals to 3. Now substituting the value of x in any one of the equation, then we will write substituting value of x in equation. देखो कोई easy equation ले लो, first ही ले लो, equation 1. Okay, so what is x minus y? First I am writing the equation equals to minus 2. So what is the value of x? 3. 3 minus y equals to minus 2. Minus y इधर send करो, plus 2 इधर send कर दो, so y is equals to 5. So what is, therefore our fraction is, what is x? 3 upon 5. Okay, so there our fraction is 3 upon 5. let us move to second part of this. So the questions are easy, but we have to see properly what it is written. Okay. So according to that we have to write. It will be solved. We have to make the two equations always. Okay, because you are studying the pair of linear equation in two variables. Pair पढ़ रहे हो तो दो equation बनेगी. Let us see the second part of second question. So what is this? 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. तो Noori और Sonu की age की बात हो रही है. So let us consider the age of Noori. Let the age of Noori is equals to x and the age of Sonu is equals to y. अब now what they are saying? They are saying 5 years ago. तो पहली condition है, first है 5 years ago. Okay. 5 साल बाद क्या होगा? Ago पहले age of Noori will become x minus 5 and age of Sonu will become y minus 5. So now according to question, 5 years ago Noori was 5 years ago Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. Let us solve this. First, this is first condition. X minus 5 is equals to 3y minus 15. So x minus 3y equals to minus 15 plus 5 minus 10. Equation number 1. Okay. Or we can write it x minus 3y plus 10 equals to. Then what they are saying, 10 years later. So according second thing, and 10 years later. तो पहले 10 years later दोनों की एज निकाल लो. तो 10 साल बाद दोनों 10 साल बड़े हो जाएंगे. ठीक है. सो एज ऑफ नूरी कितनी हो जाएगी? अभी x है. ठीक है. दिस इज लेट द प्रेजेंट एज. दिस इज प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ नूरी. प्रेजेंट एज. तो 10 साल बाद x plus 10 हो जाएंगी. एंड द एज ऑफ सोनू विल बिकम y plus 10. Okay. So now what they are saying according to question, 10 years later Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Noori and Sonu? Okay. So now let us solve this. X plus 10 equals to 2y plus 20. So x minus 2y equals to 20 minus 10, 10. This is equation number 2. Okay. Now let us solve by elimination method. So we have two equations. Okay. Let me write two equations. देखो x we easily will cancel out. So therefore x minus 3y equals to minus 10 and x minus 2y equals to plus 10. So how we can do? We can subtract it. Minus plus minus, cancel out minus plus minus. So this minus y equals to minus minus plus minus 20. So therefore y is equals to 20. Now substituting the value of y in equation, किसी एक में रख दो जो इजी लग रही है. चलो पहले ही रख दो, इसी में फर्स्ट ही में रख दो. इक्वेशन 1 whatever you want, इसमें भी रख सकते हो. So x minus 3 into y, what is y? 20 equals to minus 10. X minus 60 equals to minus 10, which shows x is equals to उधर जाएगा 50. तो what the answer is? Therefore the age of Noori will be 50 years and the age of Sonu is 20 years. Okay, so you will write in words form. Therefore age of Noori is 50 years and age of Sonu will be 20 years. Okay, let us quickly move to the third part of second question. Okay, so what is the third part of second question? We have to form bus equation, otherwise everything is easy. Elimination method you can do with yourself. Third part is the sum of digits of 2-digit number is 9. तो पहले तो 2-digit number assume कर लेते हैं क्योंकि जिसकी बात हो रही है, let us assume that first. Okay, let the 2-digit number is xy. अब now tell me one thing, if I am writing xy, or I can write it 10x plus y, both are same. ठीक है, इसी को हमने एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में लिखा है, जो आप छोटे क्लास में पढ़ते थे ना, राइट इन एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म, बट बोथ आर सेम. क्यों सेम है देखो, अगर मान लो मैंने एक्स को 6 लिख दिया, वाई को 3 लिख दिया, 63 ले लिया कोई नंबर. सो अब मैंने क्या लिखा, 10x प्लस वाई. अब 10 इंटू एक्स कितना है 6 प्लस वाई कितना है 3, 60 प्लस 3 आएगा तो 63 ही. ठीक है, बस क्या है, इसको थोड़ा खोल के लिख दिया, एक्सपेंड करके लिख दिया, ताकि हम थोड़ा सोल्यूशन अच्छे से निकाल सकें. अदरवाइज 63 अगर 63 लिखेंगे तो 63 से कितना आंसर निकल जाएगा. ओके, सो दैट व्हाई वी हैव बिट एक्सपेंडेड इट. सो व्हाट वी विल टेक, लेट द 2-digit number is, we will take this. Clear? Now we will read the question. The sum of the digits of 2-digit number is 9. Sum of digits, that means एक डिजिट x है, एक डिजिट y है. डिजिट तो x and y है ना, तो sum of digits of 2-digit number is 9. फर्स्ट पार्ट हो गया. Also 9 times this number is 9 times, also 9 times this number, ये लेंगे, 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the digit. Find the number. अब twice the number, ये जो नंबर है 9 times the number, twice the number obtained by reversing the digit. डिजिट को रिवर्स कर देना है, इसका मतलब डिजिट और एक्स वाई है, वाई को इधर कर देते हैं, एक्स को इधर कर देते हैं, दैट मीन्स 10y प्लस एक्स कर देते हैं. अगर डिजिट को रिवर्स कर दें तो वी गॉट दिस नंबर. ओके, सो नाउ सॉल्व दिस. 90x प्लस 9y इक्वल्स टू 20y प्लस 2x. सबको इधर ले आओ. 90x माइनस 2x कितना हो जाएगा, 90 minus 2 is 88x. अब प्लस 9y माइनस 20y, तो ये हो जाएगा 11y माइनस. Let me say this question number 2. Okay, so what they are saying, find the number. Okay, find the number. So we have to find the number. क्या ये नंबर क्या हो सकता है, चाहे इस तरह आगे से. Okay, so we have to find the value of x and y. Now let us see here x and y. Here 88x and 11y. We have to solve it by elimination method. इनमें से कोई एक सा करना है. ठीक है, this is minus, this is plus. तो हम मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं इक्वेशन 1 को by 11. ओके, मल्टीप्लाइंग टू मेक इट इक्वल, मल्टीप्लाइंग इक्वेशन 1 by 11. So what it will become, 11x plus 11y equals to 11 9s are 99. Let me say this is equation number 1 dash. Now we will write equation 2 dash in down of it. Minus 11y equals to 0. This is equation number 2. Elimination करना है तो we have to add the equation because already plus minus is there. 11y2 11y cancel out. Plus plus plus. 99x equals to 99, which shows x is equals to 1. अब x 1 आ गया, so you have to put the value of x in equation number 1. Therefore, substituting value of x in equation 1. What is equation 1? X plus y. What is x? 1 plus y is equals to 9, which shows y is equals to 8. So therefore our number is, what it will be? Therefore our, very good, number is xy या 10xy, किसी में भी रखो. तो x, what is x? 1 and what is y? 8. So our number is 18. Okay, so this is the solution. Quickly let us move to fourth part. So the fourth part is, the exercise is very easy. Okay, so only you have to practice it. In board examination, what will come? The same things comes. If you are practicing regularly, nothing is difficult for you. Okay, so question number 2, fourth part. मीना वेंट टू बैंक टू विड्रॉल 2000 रुपीज। अब इसको बैंक से 2000 रुपीज निकालने जाना है, ठीक है। वो 2000 रुपीज, शी वेंट टू बैंक एंड टू विड्रॉल 2000 रुपीज। शी आस्क्ड द कैशियर टू गिव हर 50 रुपीज नोट एंड 100 रुपीज नोट। अब 2000 रुपीज है तो उसमें कुछ 50 रुपीज के नोट्स होंगे। अब 50 का एक ही तो नोट नहीं होगा, मान लो एक्स नोट है। ऐसे ही उसको 100 रुपीज के नोट दिए, मान लो वो वाई है। ओके, सो नंबर ऑफ 50 rupees notes is X, number of 100 rupees note is Y. So she asked cashier to give her 50 and 100 rupees notes only. Okay. Meena got 25 notes in all. उसको total how many notes she got? 25. ठीक है. So let the number of rupees 50 notes is equals to X. And the number of rupees 100 notes is Y. Okay, don't put the comma, you write in words. So therefore, according to question, okay, so what they are saying, Meena went to bank to withdraw 2000 rupees. अब 2000 rupees withdraw करेंगे तो let 50 rupees notes के X note and 100 के Y notes she has taken out. तो how many notes she got? 2000. इसको इजीली 50 से डिवाइड कर दो तो व्हाट विल गेट, देखो 50 50 50 से तीनों हो सकते हैं, ठीक है। तो x प्लस 52 ज़ा 100 y 54 ज़ा 240. लेट मी से इक्वेशन नंबर 1. ओके, टू सिंप्लीफाइंग इट। देन सेकंड दे आर सेइंग मीना गॉट 25 नोट्स इन ऑल। अब टोटल उसके पास 25 नोट्स हैं एंड तो 25 नोट्स मीन्स x 50 नोट्स के हैं और y 100 के। तो टोटल she got how many notes? 25 notes. So this is equation number 2. Okay. Find how many notes of 50 and 100 she received. So that means 50 के कितने notes हैं, 100 के कितने notes हैं, we have to find out. These are two equations we can do by elimination method. So we can subtract it, minus minus minus, cancel out, plus minus minus. So y is equals to minus 35, 15 is left. So y is 15. Substituting value of y in equation, ये easy है, 2. So what is equation 2? X plus y is equals to 25. So x plus 15 equals to 25. So therefore x equals to 10. So therefore number of rupees 50 notes is 10 and number of rupees 100 notes is how many? 15. इसका मतलब 50 रुपीज के 10 नोट्स और 100 रुपीज के 50 नोट्स। देखो 10 plus 15 25 total number of notes he got. Okay, now quickly move to fifth part. So second question, fifth part we have. So we will do the fifth part of second question and this is the I think last question of this exercise. Okay, so let us see fifth part of second question. A lending library has a fixed charges for first 3 days. एक लाइब्रेरी में first 3 days के लिए charges fix हैं। मान लो कि ये लाइब्रेरी है तो फर्स्ट डे, सेकंड डे और थर्ड डे के लिए चार्जेस फिक्स हैं। मान लो कुछ x रुपीज लेते हैं फिक्स चार्जेस फर्स्ट 3 days के लिए। ओके, एंड एन एडिशनल चार्जेस फॉर ईच डे देयर आफ्टर। अगर फोर्थ डे स्टार्ट होगा तो फिर एडिशनल चार्जेस लेना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं। दैट मीन्स फोर्थ डे, फिफ्थ डे तो वाई रुपीज़ यहाँ लेंगे, वाई रुपीज़ यहाँ लेंगे, सिक्स डे में भी वाई रुपीज़ लेंगे, सेवन डे में भी वाई रुपीज़ लेंगे। तो फॉर एडिशनल डेज वी आर टेकिंग द सब्सिक्वेंट रुपीज़। ओके, so what is it? A library has a fixed charges for first 3 days and the fixed charges thereafter the charges fixed charges for subsequent days. Sarita paid 27 for the book kept for 7 days. पहले तो हम इससे लिख लेते हैं let the fixed charges for first 3 days is X. Okay, and the charges thereafter is Y, and the additional charges thereafter per day is Y. Okay, so now according to question, now we will come to question. सरिता पेड 27 रुपीज, उसने 27 रुपीज पे करे फॉर द बुक शी केप्ट फॉर 7 days. सो 7 डेज के लिए उसने 27 रुपीज़ पे करी, तो फर्स्ट 3 डेज के लिए तो उसने x रुपीज़ पे करे। ओके, बाकी कितने बचे? 4 5 6 7 4। सो तो फर्स्ट 3 डेज के लिए हम 3 नहीं लिखेंगे, बिकॉज वी विल राइट फॉर द फर्स्ट 3 days शी पेड x रुपीज़। नाउ 4 days आर लेफ्ट इन 7 days, फॉर 4 days 1 डे के लिए y रुपीज़, तो 4 days के लिए 4 y रुपीज़। So 3 plus 4 7 days के लिए 27 rupees. Okay. Now what's here? While Shushi paid rupees 21 for the book kept for 5 days. और Shushi ने 5 days के लिए books रखी। इसका मतलब for Shushi, देखो 5 days है तो 3 days के लिए तो x रुपीज़ हो गए, 4 5 2 days are left, तो 2 days में 2y रुपीज़ उसको देंगे, एक दिन के y रुपीज़, तो 2 days के 2y रुपीज़। तो how much she paid? Rupees 21. Okay, this is clear ना? Find the fixed charges and the charges per extra days. हमें x और y की value we have to find. For first 3 days, first Sarita whosoever is for the 7 days she paid 27 rupees. 7 days means for the 3 days x rupees, बाकी बचे 4 days, एक दिन के बाद तो 4 days के 4y rupees, तो x plus 4y is equals to 27 total she paid, and Shushi ने 3 4 5 days के लिए 21 rupees. Okay. Elimination method directly we can do minus minus minus. Cross multiply. Sorry. 2y equals to 6, y equals to 3. Substituting value of y in equation 1. So what is equation number? 4y equals to 27. So x plus 4 into 3 equals to 27, x plus 12 equals to 27, so x is equals to 27 minus 12. So we'll get x is equals to 515 rupees. So therefore fixed charges for first days, fixed charges कितने हो गए? Rupees 15, and the charges per day thereafter is equals to rupees 3. तो हर फिर 15 रुपीज़ पहले दिन के, 3 रुपीज़ के बाद। That's all for this exercise. Please do the practice. Maximum you will do practice, maximum you will become a perfect. Okay. Thank you very much for this exercise. For this video, next we'll do in next video. Okay. Till then, bye bye.